Example 3. Use your knowledge of the Pythagorean theorem and square roots to fill in the missing squares and side lengths in the figure below. So again, we already know that this one is a right triangle. So we're not using the converse in this example. We're just practicing with Pythagorean theorem. So let's see what we already know. We already know the length of this leg is 5. So let's figure out b squared. 5 to the second power is 25. So let's go ahead and fill that in here. And now let's figure out what a would be. We already know what a squared is. It's 144. So if we're trying to figure out a, we're going to use inverse operations, which means we're going to take the square root. So the square root of 144, I should say the positive square root of 144 is 12. So that means a is going to be 12. 12 meters. And this one I should have written square meters. Lastly, we need to figure out the length of c as well as c squared. So since we already know it's a right triangle, let's use Pythagorean theorem. So 5 squared, which we already know is 25, plus 12 squared, which we already know is 144, will equal c squared. So I need to add 144 and 25, and I get 169. So c squared is 169 square meters. And now I just need to figure out c, and the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to take the square root of 169, which you should already know because you memorized that before spring break. That would be 13. So hopefully that one was pretty easy.